Here's the big day, everyone. Welcome to Beck's Backyard Barbecue. We finally got the new smoker home. We still have a couple little final finishing touches to do to it. We need to get the tail lights put in it, change the wheels out, get some mud flaps on it. But overall, it is done. It's finally ready to cook. To kind of give you some details here about it. So inside we have a firebox. It's insulated on all three sides and the top. We put a clean out door in the bottom. We have two hidden slide vents in either side. It's pretty hot. It is a full reverse flow smoker. Up top we have a warming / cook cabinet. We put a trough drain in the bottom. It goes down to a pipe right down there, so all your grease runs into the main cook chamber and goes to one grease bucket. Right here you can see the flue that allows us to regulate our heat and temperature by use of this rod from the outside. So we can independently regulate our temperature inside this warming chamber. So you can see here, this is also, it's 1 inch thick, and there's 2600 degree insulation in all sides of this warming box. Another thing that I wanted was these rods installed in the top, so if I want to smoke some summer sausage or something like that, I've got a way to hang it and cook it. So again, that there, it's all fully insulated. Here we have the main cook chamber. Pop this open. So inside the main cook chamber we have 4 racks. As you can see here, the center two are fairly close together, and that's done intentionally. So what this allows us to do is we can run all 4 racks the way they are right now. You could do some chicken breast, something like that small in here. But if you want to, you can remove this 3rd rack and run 1, 2, and 4 and have 3 equally spaced racks inside the pit. If you want to do some pork butts or briskets or something like that. The other thing you can do, your other option, is to remove rack 2 and remove rack 4. And you can cook on rack 1 and rack 3, and by doing that you have 2 fully equally spaced racks to where if you want to do full body turkeys in here, you very easily can. So that was the one thing I wanted. I've seen a lot of other pits where they only put 2 racks in a 500 gallon pit. In my opinion, if you're going to take the time to build a 500 gallon pit, I want to have as much cook space in it as I possibly can. In the bottom down there you can see our baffle plate with our drain broke in the center of it. It leads to a 2-inch drain pipe right down there at the end of it. So this is a full reverse flow smoker. The other feature that I wanted to incorporate into this pit was I wanted doors on both sides. There's some on the market that are doing this, but I wanted doors on both sides so I can work around either side of the pit. The racks slide out either way to make it easy to access everything and access your meats from either side of the barbecue. So that was why I wanted to put doors on both sides of the pit. We fired it up a couple times. We hit the inside with some canola oil, got it good and hot the first time to try to help season it. I did cook some ribs in it today for the first time. You'll see more on that later coming down the line. We did do these nice fender / shelving units. We live on a dirt road, so it's kind of dusty after coming down the road here. But we did a powder coat finish on those, so it'll be a nice durable finish. that you can use as a workbench or a work table and prepare things on as you're doing your cooks. So anyway, I'm super excited to finally have this thing home. If you want to see some more videos of this thing in action and some of the cooks that we're going to do in it, feel free to subscribe to the channel and drop me a comment below letting me know that you subscribed, and we will get some videos up, get some content up, posted about cooking in this thing and trying out some new cooking tips, tricks, and techniques that you all can try at home. So thank you very much, and we'll see you later.